So these are the guys from Razor Tracking, and they just finished up 01 and a 95 or 97.
Yep, 97, 93 already in the back of there.
Okay, so they did 5 trucks, and one, we didn't do one because it's broke down in the shop.
No point doing that one.
No, that one ain't moving for a while. Basically, the 14s are easy, plug and play. You had those done in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you guys were chatting before we got done, I got done.
Yeah. These ones you had to hardwire in, just the power?
Yeah, just these old trucks with the ECM, especially this one who's, your dad said it was a bit of
the
a
junkyard
truck. I would decide just do a 3-wire install, and that's going to be way more reliable for you.
Okay. So now, we just got done doing it on the computer, but we tied this system into my John Deere.
Correct.
So once we get them outside, they will pop up on my app.
They'll look just like
In
a tractor.
theory.
Yeah, it will.
In theory. So what else do you guys? You guys have dash cameras too?
You have dash cameras, both AI and not AI, so depending on what your level is. So I know your dad said maybe down the future you might get some of those for some footage.
There you go.
And then we have a new product coming out that's an asset tracker that you can actually ping on demand. So just a little battery you can throw in a boat and find out where your buddy actually is fishing.
Boy, that's dirty. That's dirty. All right, well, these guys obviously are US wide, right?
Yep, and Canada.
Okay. So if you guys have any interest in that, I will put these guys link in the description and you can find out more details.